Good afternoon. My name is Safwan Matarnaik from 9th class from Regal Public School.
Good afternoon. My name is Aksa Ashraf Chowgule from class 10 from Regal Public School, Konde Chaplin. So, today we are here to present on one science project we are going to do on a topic. So, the name of our topic is biodegradable plastic from potato starch. So, let's begin with it.
Rationally, basically, plastic can be classified on the basis of raw material used to produce it. The petroleum plastic happens to have the best properties when it comes to strength, malleability, and other physical properties. Also, the cost required for the preparation is too low. Hence, in today's world, this plastic plays an important role. But with these many advantages comes a dangerous and hazardous side effect that it cannot be degraded and is insoluble in almost every liquid. This danger is now being identified by the scientists, researchers, and many researchers work on its management right now. Thus, there is a need for a better alternative which will substitute this plastic. And one of these feasible solution is bioplastic.
So now we will know some scientific concepts or principles. So the starch is a long chain molecule which is made up of amylose and amylopectin. When it is heated in the presence of acid such as vinegar, the amylopectin present in it is broken down into a straight chain of amylose. After heating for a while, we will observe that the semi-crystalline structure of the solution is lost. This is because of one process, and that process is known as gelatinization. This process gives us viscous paste. After the liquid dries up, it gets bonded, the amylose molecules present in it get bonded with hydrogen, and this bonding once again brings the semi-crystal liquid. So, if we add glycerol in that solution, the plastic becomes more flexible and less brittle. This is because the addition of glycerol to the solution bond the hydrogen more strongly, and it also increases the strength of the plastic. So now we will see the material we have used for our project. So we need 200 grain of potato, weighing machine, tea strainer, water, beakers, glycerol, vinegar, glass rod, spirit lamp, and many other things will come across. Now we will see the procedure. So for that we have first procedure, that is extraction of starch from potato. So we have taken 200 gram of potato. We have to wash the potato carefully to remove the mud. Later on we have to grate the potato. And then we have to add, for 200 grams of potato, we have to add across 200 ml of water. After adding water, we have to blend the potato into mortar or pestle. Add water. We have to add 200 ml of water to 200 gram of potato. After blending it, what we have to do is we have to separate the starch solution and the potato remains. And we have to repeat this process at least twice to get maximum amount of starch. As we get 600 ml of solution, we have to keep it steady for some time. After some time, we will find that the starch in it settles down at the bottom. We have to filter it. After filtering, we have to separate the starch. get this type of powder. This whitish colored powder, it is the starch. Now, the main thing is preparation of plastic from the starch obtained. So, here we are taking 1 teaspoon of starch. Into a beaker. Then we have to add 2 teaspoons of water to it as we have taken 1 teaspoon of starch. So, water. Okay. Now, we have to add 1 teaspoon of glycerol and 1 teaspoon of vinegar to it. Okay. This is glycerol. Now we have to heat this solution. So for that we have spirit lamp. Solution on the heat, and we have to continuously stir the solution until it turns into the jelly-like liquid. So we have to stir it continuously. Now you can see the gelatinous substance formed. We have to stir this gelatinous substance until it turns transparent. So once the substance turns transparent, we have to stop heating and we have to pour that substance into a mold. Once we remove the substance into a mold, we have to dry it under sun for a day, and then we will get a plastic like this. We'll see how it is removed. You can see. Once the substance is completely dry, we get plastic like this, and we can use this plastic. Instead of potato starch, to increase the strength of the plastic, we can also use corn starch.
Observation. First, the amount of starch extracted from the potatoes weighs around 10 gram after drying. Second, without the use of glycerol, the plastic obtained turns out to be brittle and nearly useless. Glycerol is used. The viscous liquid obtained after heating is very gluey and can be used as an adhesive substance when used fresh. Fourth, at the room temperature it takes about 2 days for the viscous liquid to turn into mold completely. Fifth, the plastic turns out to be thermoplastic, as when it is heated it dissolves directly into the water and can be molded using the same procedure. Sixth, the glycerol and water used acts as a plasticizer, and the acid added initializes the reaction. Seventh, the plastic dissolves in water at high temperature.
So now we will see the properties of the plastic obtained. So its first property is the plastic obtained is thermoplastic in nature. That is, change its shape after heating and cooling it again and again. Second, the plastic obtained is transparent. The third property is it has poor elastic property because the only factor contributing to its elasticity property is the amount of glycerin. And the fourth property is it can dissolve in water at high temperature and hence it's a biodegradable in nature.
Now we will see conclusion. First, the plastic is thermoplastic in nature. Second, the product obtained is very thin and very plastic-like material. Third, the plastic is easily degradable in nature and is soluble in water, which is its advantages and disadvantages at the same time. Fourth, the preparation of plastic from starch is a viable option for substituting a petroleum plastic.
Now here we conclude. Thank you.